Hi there, welcome to the Paint Couture YouTube channel. My name is Kathy and I'm from Robin Floral Furniture Refinishing. I got this little box from the thrift store. It was $1.99 and I just wanted to make it a little more summery. I'm going to use the colors Sophia and Pacific Pearl. Sophia is a mineral paint and Pacific Pearl is a chalk style paint. This paint has a built-in primer and top coat, and it just goes on beautifully. Now, I could have probably just did one coat because look at the coverage, it's excellent, but I did two coats. If you're interested in any of the products that you see here today, there will be a link provided down below. If you follow the link, it'll take you to the Paint Couture's website where you can find these products and many more. Before painting with Pacific Pearl, I wanted to put some beeswax on top of the Sophia paint color because I was kind of hoping that it would chip a little bit, or at least it'll act as a resist. So when I put the other color on top, I'll be able to sand away some of it. Once I got that sanded down to how I like it, I decided to put some floral transfers on. Now this is an IOD transfer, Seraphitan's Botanicals, I believe, and it's full of wildflowers and they're just absolutely beautiful. And so if you've never used transfers before, the image is on the plastic, clear plastic sheet. You take the burnishing stick and you rub it and the image goes onto your piece. I decided to add crackle to my piece. This is a two-step process. You apply step one and you wait for that to get tacky, and it usually takes about an hour or so. And once that happens, then you apply step two. And you can pretty much see the cracks forming right away. You'll be able to see the cracks there before the wax, but I'm going to use some dark wax and that just makes them stand out a lot more. So thank you very much for joining me here today. I think this project turned out really cute. You can use this for your pet treats, for letters, for your keys, anything that you want. It's just a cute little storage piece. Please consider subscribing so that you can see each and every video that Paint Couture posts. Thanks again for joining me and have a great day.